Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the fast and easy login process for Brigit, helping you to avoid any unnecessary fees. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth access to your Brigit account. Step 1. Open the Brigit app or website. Start by launching the Brigit app on your smartphone or visit the Brigit website on your preferred web browser. Step 2. Locate the login button. On the home screen, look for the login button. This is usually prominently displayed for easy access. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Input your registered phone number or email address in the designated field. Ensure that you provide the information linked to your Brigit account to avoid login issues. Step 4. Provide your password. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check for any typos before proceeding. Step 5. Enable fingerprint or face recognition, optional. If you are using a mobile device and have previously set up biometric login, you may have the option to log in using fingerprint or facial recognition. This feature allows for quicker access in the future. Step 6. Click on Login. Once you've entered your information, click the Login button to access your account. Wait a moment for the system to process your request. Step 7. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter issues logging in, check your internet connection, verify your credentials, and ensure that the Brigit app is updated to the latest version. If problems persist, consider using the Forgot Password option to reset your password or contact Brigit customer support for assistance. That's it. You are now logged into your Brigit account quickly and easily. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in avoiding fees and accessing your finances effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more useful tips.